Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today we have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for June 2019. It came like this, a little ripped. It's bursting at the seams, so let's take a look and see what we have inside. Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Kara. This is Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget, where we do some unboxings, we talk about some sales. And today, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It is my second one. I previously had the regular Ipsy. So this is my second Glam Bag Plus. And just really quickly, before we get into the Glam Bag Plus, since I have you guys, I just wanted to mention a safety issue that's going on that's not getting that much press. The FDA recently recalled about 3 days ago. They did a recall, and they tweeted about it, that the JoJo Siwa makeup set that was sold at Claire's is being recalled by the store. You can get a refund at the store. It's geared towards children, towards preteens, and the eyeshadow tested positively for asbestos. So if you know a lot of kids, you're around a lot of kids, if you have a Facebook, a Twitter, see if you can send out a message, friends and neighbors, just kind of spread the word, because you know, there are a bunch of people that are going to be aware of this, and then there's going to be people that don't really quite hear about it, and these makeup kits are in the bedrooms of kids. So let's see if we can kind of get that message around. So I'm going to put a couple of photos right up here from FDA and FDA Cosmetics Twitter accounts regarding the JoJo Siwa makeup kit. And then in my description box below, I will link to a news article regarding the recall. And let's see if we can get these kits out of kids' houses. Okay, so let's get into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I got it last month. I wasn't that thrilled. I thought that there were a couple of good products, kind of borderline, not super great and exciting products. And then there were a couple of products I wasn't thrilled with at all. So what I was expecting when I subscribed to the Plus, I was expecting at least a couple of products with the real wow factor that would really excite me, and I didn't really get that last time. So I was holding on for this month to see how this month would go, and it's better. It's better. So let's take a look. First of all, the theme is Welcome to the Block Party, and this is a Tetris theme. Tetris was a big video game back in the early 80s, and this is what we did before the internet. Yeah, this is what we did. We played Atari and Nintendo. So I love the theme. I think it's super fun, and Tetris was always super colorful, and that's what they're doing with the Tetris collection. This is Tetris X Ipsy, and Ipsy's the manufacturer of these products. So, to my understanding, this is the first time Ipsy's manufactured products, and if I'm wrong about that, let me know in the comments below, but I haven't been with Ipsy for years, but I think that's what the deal is. Mine is Block Party. Other people have the ones that have the yellows and the greens in them. Mine has the purpley tones, and I'm super excited about that. I'm wearing like a purplish palette today. It's a Natasha Denona Mini Lila palette. So I love purple shades. They're cool shades. I like it. We have two mattes. We have Skyline. We have Back to Back. We have T-Spin, Line Clear, High Score, and the blue is Top Out. And we could do swatches on these. My index finger has some dark hair dye on it from earlier today when I was getting my roots touched up. So let's just swatch these with the pinky. So here we have the swatches, and the back-to-back shade is pretty much the exact same shade as my skin tone. They swatch nicely. They have 3 shimmers, and the T-Spin looks to be more like a glitter or foil. I will try using these pretty soon. I already have eyeshadow on, but I'm looking forward to this. And next in the box I have Generation Clay. This is a ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. And you may have seen this before. This has come in other subscription boxes. Usually not in this packaging. In other subscription boxes, it's come in a purple tube. But this is a glass jar. It says Nourish, Radiance, Brighten, Refine. This is 2.1 ounces, and I definitely do use clay masks a couple of times a month. And it is purpley. And I did already open this once in case you see some messiness around the top. I opened the box once and then I realized my card was set on lock and didn't record anything. So next in the box is my favorite item. This is Sunday Riley's CEO. It's a full size of the Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. And to me, this is a blockbuster item. I really wanted to see an exciting product in the last Glam Bag Plus, and I don't really feel that I got that. But this time around, yes, Sunday Riley. This is an expensive product at $65. Some people in their Glam Bag Pluses, they got the 111 Skin Vitamin C Booster, and that retails for $180. So I will be interested to hear if you guys got that down below in the comments, or what you got in your Glam Bag Plus in general. But I have tried this. I tried a sample of this before. The sample lasted me, I think, 10 days. I really liked it. It absorbed really well. 10 days wasn't long enough for me to determine whether the vitamin C had a long-term brightening effect. But I guess I'll find out now that I have the full-size one. So I'm looking forward to that. And next up, we have Suva Beauty. Again, it's out of the box because I opened this before. Suva Beauty, this is a cake liner. This is in the shade Grease. It is a black cake liner, and I've never used a cake liner before, but this comes as a set, and it comes with this brush, very fine point on it. So the last item in the box is the Trestique Matte Lip Color. It has a magnetic top, and then the bottom has the shiny lip balm. And when I apply this, it really just goes on clear, which is fine. It adds a little bit of shine if you're going to be wearing a matte lip shade. And here is the shade. And it really looks like a fuchsia. So the name of this is Belize Bordeaux, and if you take a look at the shades, this is more of a wine in the box, and this is more of a fuchsia. So that is the box, and that is the swatch shade. I also got a couple of add-ons this month, and add-ons are probably my favorite part of the whole Ipsy bag experience. The second of the month, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, you go to the Ipsy site, you check out your bag and the preview, and then you're allowed to go into the add-on sections where you can buy a full-size item for $12 or a small item for $3. And this time around I got the Huda Beauty Matte Lipstick, and I'm wearing it right now, and the shade is called Sugar Mama. So I like it. It's definitely long wearing. It's a peachy pink nude. I don't really have any other lipsticks in this shade, so I like it a lot. I really like the formula a lot. That was $12. This was $3. This is one of the Tetris brushes. And I like this brush. It's nice and full. There's been no shedding. The ends are square so they don't roll around on the table. I like that. The only thing I don't like is that these actually bend. So they might be hollow inside, but as for like long term, will these brushes be around in a few years? I don't think so. I think that they might break. So I wouldn't buy the whole set, but I think that this is really cute. So for $25 for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I received $179 worth of products. So that's pretty good. And we got the Tetris 6-shade eyeshadow palette, the CEO Sunday Riley cream, which I love, the Gen Clay brightening mask, clay mask, the Suva Beauty liner brush, and the cake liner in the black, and also the Trestique matte lip product, which also has the little balm at the end. So let me know what you got in your box in the comments down below. I know that there was a Ciate liquid lipstick, there was a lipstick trio, and there was also a pure big mascara. Those are the ones that I was aware of from the spoilers. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the like button. It would definitely help out my channel. And I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!